Building real wealth with crypto in 2025 is about strategy, not speculation. Let's break it down into three essential pillars: accumulation, passive income, and long-term holding. First, accumulation. The foundation of your crypto journey should be smart assets. Focus on blue-chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the established players in the market. Use platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance US to implement a dollar-cost averaging strategy. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. The goal here is to stack your assets consistently over time, minimizing the impact of market volatility. Next, let's talk about earning while you hold. Once you've accumulated your assets, it's time to make your portfolio work for you. Consider using platforms like Lido to stake your Ethereum or Aave to lend USDC. These options can provide you with passive income, typically yielding around 4% to 7% APR. While it may not sound like much at first, remember that every little bit adds up over time, especially in a slow market. Your assets can generate income while you wait for their value to appreciate. Now, security is paramount. Use MetaMask for your everyday Web3 transactions, but for long-term storage, invest in a hardware wallet like Ledger. This ensures that your assets are safe from online threats. Always back up your seed phrase and regularly revoke access to old smart contracts. This simple habit can protect your investments from potential risks. Finally, let's discuss adding small cap upside to your portfolio. Consider allocating 10% to 20% of your total investment into lower cap cryptocurrencies like Caspa, HiveMapper, or Layer AI. These can offer high rewards, but remember, they come with higher risks. It's crucial to size your bets responsibly and not go overboard. Now, let's put this into practice with a $1,000 strategy. You might allocate $500 to Bitcoin and Ethereum, split evenly. Then take $300 and stake it in Ethereum or lend it as USDC. Finally, invest $200 into promising low-cap projects. This balanced approach allows you to benefit from both stability and growth potential. This isn't financial advice, but it's a straightforward strategy for building long-term wealth in the crypto space. Remember, the key is to stay disciplined and focused on your goals.